The first step is to turn on this mini Bluetooth speaker. And you can press this button in the middle, long press it, and you can hear a sound, and this speaker is now turned on. Now you can connect it to the microphone, or you can also find it on your phone via Bluetooth, connect directly to it, and use it as a speaker. But if you want to use the karaoke mode, you now turn on the microphone, long press this button, the power button. All right, so now it's working, and this is a standard mode. This is acoustic mode. Your voice is a little bit more amplified. It sounds like you're in a bathroom or something.
This is male to female voice mode. So you can turn your voice much more high-pitched.
And of course, you need a female to male voice mode. We also have multitasky mode. It's a favorite during Halloween. And we also have the baby voice mode. So this is the funny one that you can use to entertain everyone. So now we're back to the more standard KTV mode. So this is perfect for on-the-go karaoke, or just bring it to an event, and you don't have to have any of the complex setup. Just use it, and it's remote wireless. When you're done with it, just